Hello and welcome. This is a sandwich called how make egg and Montreal Smoked Meat sandwich. First thing you gotta do is you put the egg bread, 2 slices, in the toaster for 4 minutes. Then after that, you crack the eggs and you put it into the bowl. And you cover this with paper towel and you put the eggs in the microwave. Put on for 2 minutes. And we'll wait for and get the egg bread ready. Yeah. The Smoky Bacon Mayo onto the egg bread. Then after that, you put the slices of Montreal smoked meat onto the egg bread. And after that, we gotta go to the eggs, back to the eggs. Now, take the eggs out of the microwave, and after that, you get a fork and put the eggs on top of there and put together. And here is your egg and Montreal smoked meat sandwich. Enjoy, folks. Thank you for watching. Happy holidays for us of December and a happy new year.